geography. I will start from grade 7, geography, the first lesson, and let's move on further. The planet Earth we live. First of all, as we know, the Earth is the only planet in which the life is found in our solar system. And it's the third planet in our whole solar system, as you know, from the Sun to the end. So, according to the position of the Sun, the Earth revolves around the Sun and within its own axis. And in here, the very first page in your textbook, it's given the Earth revolution and the Earth's rotation. So let's talk about further what this revolution as well as this rotation means. The Earth's rotation means the Earth's movement around its own axis. The Earth's movement around its own axis is known as the rotation. It means when the Earth rotates around himself as an occurrence, the day and night occurs. You know, from 24 hours, a longer day takes 24 hours. So, and rotation is the Earth's movement around its own axis. Earth has its own axis and Earth is revolving around the Sun around a orbit. In your book, it's not given orbit. Orbit means a kind of path which celestial objects. In further grades, I will explain what is celestial objects. These are planets. These revolve around the Sun in a specific path. This is what we call an orbit. So, this is not what I meant. This means the rotation around its own axis. Yeah, වටේ කැරකෙන එක තමයි Earth's rotation කියලා කියන්නේ. හරි. අපි යමු. Next one. Revolution. What is meant by revolution? Revolution means the Earth's movement around around the Sun. Earth's movement around the Sun. If the Sun is centered, you know, the centered Sun around it, the planets revolve. So, Earth's movement around the Sun while rotating himself, මෙහෙම කැරකෙවෙන ගමන් Sun වටේ කැරකෙවෙනවා. Sun වටේ කැරකෙවෙන එකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ revolution කියලා. Is it clear? I hope so it's clear. And revolution, it takes 365 days. For rotation, it takes 23 hours and 56 minutes approximately. So, taking count, it takes it 24 hours. And while the revolution, it takes 365 days and 6 hours. Okay, so 6 hours. We rounded off into the 365 days. And it further goes into a leap year. The 6 hours further goes into a leap year. අධික අවුරුද්දකට යනවා. හරි. And this is a external fact. And here the Earth is, our Earth, you know, Earth is a bit of tilt. ඒ කියන්නේ Earth එක කවදාවත් move වෙන්නේ හරියටම ජ්‍යාමිතික විදියට නෙමෙයි. නිකම් මෙහෙම අපි ගත්තොත් මෙහෙම කවදාවත් හරියට කෙලින් තියෙන දෙයක් නෙමෙයි Earth එක කියන්නේ. ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් ඇද වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒ ඇද වෙලා තියෙන ඇදේ තියෙනවා inclination. අපි කවදාකවත් Earth එක මෙහෙම තියෙන්නේ නැහැ. මෙහෙම ඇද වෙලා තමයි කැරකෙන්නේ. ඒ කැරකීමට inclination අපි කියනවා ඒකට tilt කියලා. ඇද වෙලා තියෙන හින්දා ඒ ඇද වෙලා තියෙන ප්‍රමාණය 23යි භාගයක්. නැත්නම් අපි කියනවා 23.5 degrees the Earth has tilt. Shape of the Earth. The shape of the Earth. As you know, what is the shape of the Earth? I think so. I hope you know. The Earth's shape is kind of spherical, right? Spherical means ගෝලාකාරයි. අපි කියනවා Earth එක ගෝලාකාරයි. But it is not a full spherical globe. Our Earth is not a full spherical globe. It means Earth එක මං කියව විදිහට Earth එක කවදාකවත් හරියටම රවුමක් නැත්නම් අපි රවුමක් කියන්න බෑනේ මේක ගෝලයක්. ගෝලයක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Why? The earth is not a mathematical globe. If we take a question, explain this. It may be in your exam. So, in your exam, this may be asked. So, let's ready for it. Let's be. Equatorial diameter, and let's consider equatorial diameter and polar diameter. Equatorial diameter is 12,757 kilometers given in your book. Next, the polar diameter, or the diameter from north pole to south pole. උඩින් ඉඳන් යට වෙනකම්. Diameter කියන්නේ මෙහෙම තියෙන එක. මෙහෙම කරගෙන එක නෙමෙයි මෙහෙට. Equatorial diameter කියන්නේ equator එකේ තියෙන diameter. Diameter is 12,714 kilometers. If we sum up, if we subtract above equatorial diameter and below the circumference, the polar diameter, there will be small gap, which is 43 kilometers lesser. It means the diameter from north pole to south pole is lesser than the diameter, the equatorial diameter. So lesser, it means 43 kilometers, there the gap between them. Okay, and that proves the earth is not a mathematical globe. So mathematical globe means mathematical globe එකක් ගත්තොත් ඒක diameter wise, circumference wise ඔක්කොම equal වෙනවා. So this is not such a globe, right? And the surface area of the earth is 510 kilometers in million. Sorry, the surface area of the earth is 510 million square kilometers.
Subscribe my channel so that you can obtain the videos when I upload them. If you have any doubts, please share it on the comment section so that I can provide the solutions for them. Thank you.